Good morning. It's currently 7:43. I'm getting a later start than usual today because I don't have work or school because I'm on break. So I thought I would take you guys through like what I eat in a day. I feel like today's a good day to do it since it'll be easier for me to film since I don't have to like pack my lunches to go anywhere. First thing I do when I wake up, besides drink water, on days that I go to the gym is I make my pre-workout. So I thought we could do that together. I use the Alani new pre-workout in the shade in the flavor Cosmic Stardust. This is my favorite flavor of their like energy drinks. I don't do a full scoop usually, but I haven't really been feeling it. That's like how much I use. And then you put it here. If you're new, this is a good pre-workout because it's not super strong. This is what she looks like. She's cute. She's pink. And I just do it in like 5 ounces of water and I chug. I don't like working out after coffee, so this helps, and I like the tingles it gives me. Down the hatch. Okay. And then of course I drink 3 of these a day. Okay, it's 8:46. I need to go to the gym because it's gonna start getting crowded. I'll see you after the gym for breakfast. Hello, I just got back from the gym. I wanted to show you guys the vitamins that I take because I only take 2 right now. The first thing I take, also I got these little cute vitamin cases. They're definitely pill holders for like old people, but I think they're cute. But I just take 2 of the Ollie multivitamins. I think everyone should take a multivitamin. That's what my mom told me, so I'm gonna listen to her. And then a more exciting thing that I take is the Gem Daily Essentials, the little bites of food. And they have vitamin D, zinc, B vitamins, vitamin K2, beta-glucan, turmeric, black pepper, probiotics, prebiotics, citrus, and stone fruit. And these are so good. Like, I look forward to eating these. Like, it's like my little appetizer for breakfast. It looks like that. It's so good. Like, are you kidding me? That's my little vitamins that I take in the morning. And then I also eat 2 Brazil nuts a day for selenium. I'm gonna go shower and then make some breakfast. Hey guys, I just got a really exciting package that like has to do with food, so I thought I'd show you guys. This package is from none other than Chamberlain Coffee. They sent me some goodies and I'm so excited to show you. I got to pick out some stuff to get, so I got the Fluffy Lamb vanilla. I'm really excited to try this. And then I also got the variety box, so I get to see which one is my favorite, so then obviously I can repurchase. Also, I got this adorable tote. I will be taking it everywhere. And then I got the little iconic Chamberlain Coffee cold brew little holder. I love that it has a handle. And then to go with that, I got a little pack of straws. They come with 2. And then, which I'm really excited about, I got Chamberlain Coffee matcha. I'm literally like stunned. I'm so excited to try this. I've already had
pre-workout and caffeine and coffee today, but like maybe I'll do this for tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do that for tomorrow. I'm so excited. Thank you, Chamberlain Coffee. I love you guys so much.